Use this simple DIY job-finding charm to get work you love, plus a prayer blessing to Archangel Chamuel for finding employment fast. Hello, Dar Payment, angelic channel and psychic medium and author of the book, The Archangel Apothecary, and I want to welcome you to my channel where it's all about psychic development and transformational wisdom for living a magical life. In today's video, you will learn how to make a job-finding charm associated with the energies of Archangel Chamuel, along with a special prayer blessing to Archangel Chamuel to help you find a job fast. Both the angel charm recipe and the prayer I'm sharing with you can be found in my book, The Archangel Apothecary. Angel charms are a special tiny bundle of herbs and essential oils associated with the energy correspondences of the archangels. Their purpose is to accelerate your manifestation. For this recipe, you're going to need orange essential oil, patchouli essential oil, a quartz crystal, dried orange peel, dried patchouli chips, whole cloves, a cotton ball, scissors, a pin, embroidery thread, string, or twine, a piece of light green or green cloth, a ruler, and an optional charm or dangle. Feel free to substitute cinnamon stick for the patchouli and a white piece of cloth if you don't have green cloth on hand. The recipe in my book is of smaller proportions since the charm is meant to be micro-sized, but I purposely doubled the size in this video in order to make it easier for you to see what I'm doing. To create your charm, cut a 4 inches by 4 inches square of your cloth. You can use a ruler to measure this dimension or eyeball it. Once you've cut your square of cloth, you're ready to assemble your angel charm. All of the ingredients we're using for this recipe correspond to the energies of Archangel Chamuel, who is commonly known as the Archangel of Finding Things. Place your crystal in the center of the cloth and add a pinch of each dried herb. Place the cotton ball on top and add 1 drop of orange essential oil, 2 drops of patchouli essential oil, and then cut enough string or twine to secure your bundle. Next, gather the edges of the bundle together and tie securely with the string. Be careful not to overfill the cloth, as a charm may be a bit difficult to work with. Optionally, if you'd like, feel free to add a charm or dangle of your choice. Secure the charm carefully and then cut off the excess string. And there you have it, a job-finding angel charm associated with Archangel Chamuel that you can use for a speedy job manifestation. And now for your prayer to Archangel Chamuel to help you find a job with God speed. Archangel Chamuel, guide me to gainful employment that not only pays me great wages, but one that is also an enjoyable place to work. Help me to be open and receptive to your leading. I trust that I'll be led to work and a work environment that is a good fit for me, and I also trust that it will come to me with the perfect timing for my best and highest good. Thank you, and so it is. Amen. Well, congratulations in advance on your successful employment. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by leaving me a thumbs up, subscribing, or by leaving me a comment. This is Dar Payment, wishing you blessings, love, and light, and I will see you at the next video.